Hey guys, this is No Skunk Fishing, and today we're going to be trying to do a fishing try not to laugh. So we're going to see how this works out. I have some water over there. Let me go grab that. I was a bit thirsty last night, so I don't have a whole pond, but I can always, go refill it if I need. YouTube was a little slow, so we're just going to try and, get it back up and running again. It is time. It's -1. Are you kidding me? Dude, I have to walk to the bus stop. Okay.
Got it? Oh, oh. It was 2.5. You're looking at me.
Wait, I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
Oh, he's going down.
And go.
He's got it. He's got it. Oh my God! Oh my! Good. He's got the fish. Did you see the bird take it? It's a catfish. Holy smokes! You gotta be kidding me, man!
And a fish. Look at that.
Whoa, daddy! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No! It's off now. Oh!
Water tastes funky. Just need a refresher. Okay.
Oh my God!
Good job, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Will, lift the net up. Lift that. Whoa! He did not videotape that.
Oh, yes. Yes. No. Oh my gosh. That is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life.
You take it?
One second. I have to get to the camera.
Don't let go.
Tastes like snow. Yes, I did eat the snow before. I'm getting clean water. Just have to get some clean water.
Got it. Got it.
Oh, I forgot to put water in my mouth. Oh, that is like, I have fear of that. Like, if I fall in the water, I feel like the fish is gonna drag me with it. Actually, no, never mind. I know that's gonna happen. If I was in that situation, I would drop the rod and just swim to the boat. Like, I don't even care if it was like a $3,000 rod, I would drop it so fast. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh,
Yeah, don't get your shirt caught. Oh, look out, look out, look out. Get him in the water. Show me. There you go.
and this is why you don't take fine shite fishing if they if they're not really used to it and they haven't really done it before. You gotta like slowly ease them into that. Like they're not gonna do that the first time unless you do it first. Maybe, I don't know.
Give it! Give it! Give it!
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh, you got a shark. Look at the shark you got. Look at the size of this shark. Leave him right there. Look at that shark. Leave him down there.
Somebody put a photo of my shark in there. Yeah, you, the editor? Yeah, that's me. I'm the editor. Put a video in there. Or put something in there. I don't know. Just do as I say.
Here, we can touch right here.
Right?
Yeah, that's right.
Get the extra third.
That's right.
Oh, he's a heavy one. I got a shark. I got a shark. Oh my gosh, I got a keeper. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh, that grew.
I, for one, have also caught grouper, and it is as bad as people say. It is one heck of a fight. I'll be honest. It is crazy. Anyway, on to the video.
Don't let him fall back in the water.
I love right there.
What is it?
Yeah.
Mm.
Got that on film. Oh, he must be.
Why was that funny? That's just cool. I mean, I get where they're coming from, but like, haha.
Oh my god!
Look at the fish. That's the fish. Fisherman James.
Oh.
You didn't catch a picture, did you?
What did you say?
We never got to catch a fish.
Who is alive?
Who is alive?
Whoa!
Well, yes, he's alive.
There's a fish in your shoe? Oh, I see it.
Bring it in, baby.
Did you just say fish tacos? Oh my god, bro. Don't eat that. Please. I get it if it's like a one-time thing, but like 17. You do what you guys want, but like real fishermen understand not to eat bass. That make a grown man cry. I'm not a grown man, trust me.
See, there's a fish on it still.
What'd you catch, Bo? Are you bringing that home and eating it?
Hell no. I got a fish.
Say it's a big fish.
You gotta bite, G.
You got it.
The king of whoa. The king of the muskies.
You gonna take a picture instead?
So this is Daddy's, and then the other one in there.
Well, no,
is
you
mine.
reeled that one in too, didn't you?
Oh yeah, but it's still yours.
I laughed, didn't I? I've got an idea. Okay, I've got it. My punishment for laughing is an airsoft gun, so I'm gonna shoot my hand. Nothing happened. Bare hand. There's a white circle there. I can't even move my headphones without hurting.
Based on yesterday.
Oh my god.
Hey, buddy. Sorry that you
Get a
probably
picture,
gonna
alright?
die soon. Hi, mommy caught a shark. Look at this
Mm-hmm.
Now push the button. And cast. You gotta push and oh.
Give him a kiss. No, literally, you gotta give him a kiss.
Yeah, I do that all the time. I wanna make a face like that.
He's gonna bite me.
Kiss him.
Yeah, that's the other thing. Don't kiss walleye. Or any pike of any sort. Or anything with teeth, really. It's gonna be bad. Just saying. I have no experience, but don't do it.
Don't let him fall back in the water.
Didn't we already watch that video? Didn't, I've gotta be losing my mind.
Okay. First one.
Mommy, the fish ate my worm.
Did he?
Yeah, fast, Wesley. He ate my worm.
Oh, jive
Catch him.
My bad. Hey, I would do that too. If it was like that 9-pound smallmouth I had a dream about last night. Like, legitimately, I had a dream about 9 pounds. Like, place where I record a lot of my videos, Lake Winnipesaukee. I was actually there, and we were all fishing. I was using like probably like a jig of some sort, and I ended up catching a state record. It was like 9 pounds or something, whatever. But yeah, I wouldn't go in if there was like. Actually, yeah, that's probably the only reason I would go in.
I'll do anything to get a fish in the boat.
Oh.
Alright, okay, I'm good.
Get the net! What kind of fish is that? Oh my God, that's a Dion fish.
Oh. Okay. I did not mean to. I didn't click that. I did, but I didn't mean to. Anyway, thank you for watching. Really been fun. And I should get this up to YouTube very shortly. Going to the fishing expo tomorrow in Marlboro, is it? Not sure. But you know, I'll make a short or something for that. Yeah, just browsing. I'm not actually gonna. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything, but I might buy something. Maybe I will buy one thing. Just one thing. Maybe that I'm missing, like more inline spinners or something. I'm never out of inline. I'm joking. I'm joking.